Hi, welcome to KittiesMama. I'm Emma, and today I'm going to be following a James Charles makeup tutorial. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when we upload more videos. Following other people's makeup tutorials has been a trend on YouTube for like a week or so, or like 2 weeks, but I want to do it because a YouTuber I liked it, Ryland Adams. But today I'm going to be doing James Charles Flashback Mary look, which if you're not familiar with, is the one where it was a meme and everyone made fun of him and it was a jolly good time. So I'm recreating that. Alright, so let's get started. Let me play the video.
I'm going to start off by priming my face today using my Benefit Professional Primer as always. I want to make sure that no matter...
I don't have a primer. I forgot about that. I have samples of a primer though, so I'm going to go grab that. Samples are the way to go. And he's just priming his face, so I'm going to do that. Alright, that's probably good enough. So I'm going to continue on.
For foundation today, I'm going to be using one of my all-time favorites, and I'm going to be using this one from LA Girl. This is in the shade Whiteout.
I love his sarcasm in this video, because all he's doing is making fun of himself, and it's funny. This is like one of the first videos I actually watched of his, because I didn't really watch him that much. Paige sent me a link, and so I watched it, and now I've watched a few of his videos. I liked his makeup in the dark one, which looked good, and I don't understand that. We bought this white foundation specifically for this video, but we do a whole lot of face paint and cosplay, so this will actually come in handy for more than this video. Whenever the lady got this from the store and she repeated the color back to us, she had a confused look whenever she said whiteout, and we were like, that's right. Alright, let's see what he does next.
We still need to go ahead and highlight the rest of the face, just to make sure everything is very, very even and super duper sculpted. So to do this, I'm going to grab the Kat Von D concealer, also in the shade Whiteout. Really make sure you get it in there. We want to be super snatched today. And then once again, taking that same beauty sponge, I'm just going to blend it.
Wait a second, James. Not ready. This is Kat Von D concealer in also the shade Whiteout. I believe that's what it's called. Yeah. And it's very white. I don't see how you would use this, but I mean, we can use it for stuff. Would you look at that highlight? Wow. Alright, nice. That's done.
Now that the base is looking super flawless, I really want to make sure to set it so we don't get any creases throughout the day. We need this to be super duper long lasting. Using the Makeup Forever Micro Finish HD powder. Code James,
iconic.
It is commission FTC disclaimer.
My brush isn't large enough.
I think I'm a scammer up in here. So I'm going to use the Max.
Wait, James, calm down. Alright, so I don't have the right brush for this, so I'm just using a foundation brush. He is putting on white powder to make it like set, like setting powder. So that's what I'm doing here. Whoa. He already skipped on the contour and I missed it. Alright, so I guess we're doing contour now. And I'm not doing the same contour stuff he's doing because we have contour stuff. And so I'm just going to be using Smashbox #Shape Matters palette. And I'm going to be using this shade.
Also, we got to contour our forehead. I mean, I was planning on getting hairline lowering surgery, but since my career is ending, I need to save my money wisely. I'm gonna go ahead and bake my face. This is an absolutely vital.
I'm skipping this step even though he's saying it's vital because I don't really have baking materials. I could have bought it, but it was expensive, and I'm skipping this step. That's all.
It is super important that our face looks like the exact same color as our body. We don't want any embarrassing photos, and I don't know why that would even happen in the first place, but better to be safe than sorry. So today I'm going to be using the Coty Airsoft palette.
Next is his brows, which are
nice and on fleek.
Giant.
I'm first going to start off by just drawing really, really light strokes, kind of like setting the tail.
Calm down.
A little bit.
He's using a pencil. I don't have that. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention apparently. He has very thick eyebrows, and I don't think I'm going to be able to recreate that. Wow. Wow, I look just like him.
Next, I'm going to grab a little bit more of that whiteout concealer from Kat Von D and just a flat top brush and just conceal under that brow to really like clean it up and make sure it is super.
A flat top brush. I don't have one of those. So I'm just going to be using this very, very tiny eyebrow brush, and I'm going to be trying to do what he's doing.
After the brows are both done, I just went ahead and wiped off the bake. Now for this look, I was not wearing any eyeshadow because I'm a lazy and untalented makeup artist, so we're just going to go right ahead and move on with the winged liner.
I don't have the same type of liner he does, which is like one of the pens. I have one of these, which are much more harder to do in my opinion, and I'm gonna do it. My eyelids always make it look super uneven, because my eyelids are uneven. Alright. What is next? I'm pretty sure it's false lashes. Let me see.
Doesn't need to be perfect anyway. Like I said before, we'll just face tune it and fix it later. Now that the liners are both done and pretty even, I'm going to go ahead and apply my favorite pair of lashes. Today I'm going to use the House of Lashes Iconics. Honestly, they're like pretty iconic. Just like me.
He's using a different one than I am. These are the House of Lashes Sephora collection, and these are Natalia lashes. I picked these because they were the most ridiculous out of the 4 options that I had. I don't know how this works. Don't mind me, James. I don't know how to do this. Jeez, this is wild. And it's kind of blocking my vision. I'm gonna put mascara on my bottom lashes because these are so intense. They practically drown out my bottom lashes. So I'm gonna put some on it even if he didn't. Oh my gosh, this is no longer a James Charles look. This is too much, that's what it is.
So we're going to move right along with the lips. For lips today, I'm going to be using the Morphe Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sasha.
I don't have that, and I also don't have a code for any makeup shop, so I'm just going to be using a Tarte lip paint in the shade TBT. I'm pretty sure this is the complete look. I'm going to see if there's anything else.
To finish off this super easy look, I'm going to go ahead and set my face using my LA Girl Pro Setting Spray. It is so good, and it's super mattifying as well. And only like a little bit is fine. Like a little goes a really, really long way.
This is how he does it. Wow. A whole lot of it. He gets out like a fan and he fans himself with it. But because this is KittiesMama and I owned a I Heart Kittens book when I was like 5, I'm gonna be fanning myself with this. But it sure works well. It doesn't. The one thing to complete it is a black hat. His hat is an Adidas hat, but mine is a full screen hat that says not clickbait on it and it's covered in cat hair, which I think is basically the equivalent. So I'm gonna put it on. These are very foggy and not clean, and my lashes are giant and going up against them. So I'm gonna take these off, but they completed the look. So, comment down below what other tutorials you want me to follow and how much you enjoyed this one. And James Charles, if you saw this, comment down below something funny. I'd appreciate it. Or I don't know. Hi James Charles, what's up? How you doing? How's your day? Thanks. Cool. See ya. Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow on Twitter, and see you later, alligator. Click these rectangles to watch more videos and click this circle to subscribe. Hi, sisters. Bye, sisters. That's what I meant.